how you can create your Meta AI Studio character. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and I assume that you have already downloaded it. So once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So you can also see there are three lines at the top left corner of this section. So just tap on that three lines button. And once you tap on it, you can see there is settings option at the bottom of this menu section. So just select the settings. And once you select it, you can see there is your selfie option in here. So just tap on that option, and once you tap on it, you simply need to tap on get started in the blue button, and finally you need to tap on the continue, and you will be able to create your Meta AI Studio character successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process, and this is the section to create your Meta AI Studio character. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.